What do we got here?
Starting gates.
Yeah. Hello, I'm Mike, and I'm gonna walk you through the process of making the starting gates. First things first, here are the tools I used. I got some duct tape, scissors. These ones are specially made for cutting cardboard, but you could probably use regular ones. This is a cardboard cutter. There should be one in your kit that's not as good, but it still works. Cardboard and a ruler. And now, the process. This is my slot gate, and it works like this. So to build it, I cut out my track, folded out the sides, then I measured the interior length of the track, cut out another piece to that length, then I cut out my gate with a little pull tab on it. I drew out on my track where I wanted that to be inserted, then I cut out a slot for the gate, and then I just inserted the gate so I could pull it up and down, and then taped up the sides. And there you have it, pretty easy. Here it is again. Grab that little pull tab. Woohoo! There it goes. Yeah. Up next, we have what I am calling a swing gate. Basically, you twist the pencil and open the gate, let the ball fall out. So to make it, I started as the same way as the other gate, but then I cut out a little gate that fit inside, and then I taped that to a pencil, and then cut out 2 tabs with holes in them, and then inserted the pencils into that so that you could swing it, like so. All right, so those are the 2 starting gates I came up with. They are by no means the only ones you could create, or even the best ones you could create. They're just the ideas I had, so I encourage you to, try out some other things, see what works. You could definitely attach some motors to at least the swing gate. Let it open and close by a motor instead of by twisting it with your hand. Anyway, yeah, get creative and check out some other videos.